Buying a major home appliance is an important decision and a big purchase. It's important to know before you go. Make sure you visit www.bigboxappliancereviews.com.
Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews. Guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at appliancefactory.com.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're going to do another product review today. This is the GE Cafe refrigerator, one of the best-selling refrigerators that we've seen Cafe come out with in a while. This is the CYE22. This is the Keurig model, so it does have your Keurig and your hot water dispenser, but we'll get into that in a second. So first, this is counter depth. They do make this in a full depth as well. We'll put the model numbers in the description below. But first, aesthetics. You got the Cafe handles. They do make this with the different handles that you could buy for different colors. Open this refrigerator up. It's got the twin chill, so that means it has 2 evaporators, 1 compressor. You have 1 evaporator for the fridge, 1 for the freezer. It just keeps those climates separate. Also, smells don't transfer through. There's a lot of other benefits to having your twin chill technology. This is taped. I can't slide this back. Sorry about that. But this actually slides into itself. Keep things upright, like orange juice, stuff like that. These do adjust up and down. Your water filter's on the left. Lighting in the cafes I do love just because it shines directly back instead of having that light in the background with that big shadow of everything forward. So it looks bright when it's plugged in, especially when you get stocked full of items. This, you got your rubber mats. Kind of nice on the doors, so you can take these out, clean them if you need to. Drop down trays. You can drop that down if you have extra storage. You can access that stuff right there. Ice maker. Nice and slim on the door here. Capacity, I'm not sure the exact capacity on this guy, but. And then obviously you got your, just like we've seen in most of your French door refrigerators, your climate zones and your temperature select zone. Meat, beverage, deli, 32 to 36 degrees there. And now let's get into one of the coolest parts of this refrigerator, kind of what it's known for. Turn this guy on real quick. So precise fill, some of your profiles in your cafes have this, so if I turn that on, if you like to cook with filtered water, I have a workout bottle. You could choose 18 ounces, you could choose milliliters, quarts, cups. You could choose the exact size, so if you're cooking and you want it, 3 cups of water, you can just go right to it and put your pan right on there and it'll fill right up to that. So hot water dispenser. This model comes with the Keurig. This particular unit, you just push this guy back, pop in your Keurig pod, push this in. You can actually, it takes a second to heat up, but once it's ready, you just twist this and push, and it'll actually fill up. So if you have a work coffee cups, it'll fit. You got a lot of different space, a lot of different stuff to access there. Down in the bottom, same thing we've seen in the past with your GEs, it's your typical 2 pull out. This has a little divider that you can move around depending on what you have in your freezer. Going back up to the display, you got nice express mode. That does, you can turn on turbo cool, turbo freeze. That'll crank up your evaporators and your compressors in the refrigerator. So if you just stock the fridge full of groceries, turbo cool is going to cool down your refrigerator faster. It just gets that compressor working and it knows it needs to get down to the right temperature quickly. Well, that's my product review, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week.
Online or locally, save at appliancefactory.com. Click the link to learn more.